The Providence Group welcomes you to the park at La Vista Walk. Ideally situated on La Vista Road at Cheshire Bridge Road, this private townhome community provides an exciting and convenient in-town location. I-85 and Georgia 400 are only a few minutes away, giving easy access to Buckhead, downtown Atlanta, Phipps Plaza, Lenox Square, and MARTA. The community is 2 steps from everything, so you can easily walk to coffee shops, restaurants, grocery stores, and entertainment. You'll also find unmatched amenities within the community, including 2 private pools, outdoor fireplace, state-of-the-art fitness center, cyber cafe, sidewalks, park-like settings, and a gated entrance. The park at La Vista Walk offers 3-story townhomes with 3 bedrooms and up to 3.5 baths. The community provides beautiful streetscapes and a low-maintenance lifestyle with brick exteriors, professional landscaping, and rear entry garages. Each home design includes a gourmet kitchen, spacious family room, formal dining room, and private deck. And the finished terrace levels are ideal for a bedroom, home office, exercise room, or media room. With upscale finishes including side-finished hardwood floors, tray ceilings, granite countertops, tile backsplashes, oversized islands, and stainless steel appliances, these townhomes are luxurious and beautiful. Experience the park at La Vista Walk by the Providence Group. Luxury living by design.